Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. Today we are going to talk about CLAT 2019 counseling process. Results are out for CLAT PG 2019 and I hope some are smiling, some are crying, some they don't know what to express, what not to express. But nonetheless, we have to prepare ourselves for the counseling process and we need to know some stuff for that. That's why this video is being made. Now, before that, what are the information we have got so far? 103 is the topper. If you know what is the highest rank, kindly comment below, and also please mention in the comment box your rank and your score so that we can analyze better, and from tomorrow we can give a video analysis which college you are going to get after the rank. So first list is out and the dates are also out for the second and third list, and in this video we're going to talk about all those things and the general counseling process for that. So let's start with the first list. So first list, the publication of first list is there and the opening date is today. The first list is given, kindly go and check it out, all the details are there. I hope you have been allotted with one NLU, whoever is within the first list, and the closing date of this first list and the first counseling process is on 19th June 2019. Now here is the process. The counseling fees for it is 50,000. So the counseling process for CLAT is totally online, and I hope in the result section where you have seen your result, I hope you have seen something like lock, upgrade or withdraw, and that is the counseling process that you need to go through. So for the counseling fees or counseling process, you need to pay 50,000 rupees. It's not that you are going to pay this 50,000 for the counseling process only. Later, this money will be deducted from the total admission fees of the particular NLU which you are going. So that will be adjusted later. Now, the last date of paying the counseling fees is also 19th. Whosoever are in the first list, if they are willing to go into the NLU or any particular NLU, or they are willing to participate in this counseling process, please pay the counseling fees as early as possible, and then I'm going to tell you what would be the rest procedure for that. Now there are three options that I told you already: the lock, shift and withdraw. You need to understand this concept before selecting your NLU. Now the students who are going to preferred NLU and who have got the preferred NLU according to their wishes, they're not going to change anything, I hope so, and for them the lock option is the perfect one. So they can lock, they can pay the fee 50,000 and they can lock. That is done for them. They are going to get into the particular NLU, but you need to understand, once it's locked, you cannot change or you cannot further shift anything. So that's why before locking, make sure that the NLU that you have been allotted in the first list, that is the NLU you are going to get into. So that's why it is very much necessary to understand where you are going, and that should be your preference. And for that, I need to tell you, kindly check the specialization before, because specialization is very important for LLM student. Kindly check the specialization, whether that particular university is providing that specialization or not, and then you are going to proceed. So lock option, confirm your sheet and no further shifting. If you are getting NLS and you are locking it, that's done. If you are getting NLUO right now and you are locking it, that's done too. You cannot further change it. Now you are going to get the admission in NLUO. Now let's talk about the second option is shift option, and shift option is for them who are going to go for higher preferences. Okay, suppose someone's preference is NLS, NALSAR, NUJS and NLUO, and in the first list that person has got NLUO and he or she wants to go to higher like NUJS, NALSAR or NLSO Bangalore. For them, the shift option you should try. Now you need to understand, once you opt for the shift option, no downward shifting. Okay, suppose after NLUO you preferred NLU Kochi or something like that, you can't go to NLU Kochi or HNLU Raipur or any other option. You can't choose, only the higher options you can avail. So for shifting option, please make sure where you are, and then you are going to change the higher process only, no downward shifting. And the withdraw is when you are going to fail to pay the counseling fees, that is the 50,000 rupees, then the withdrawal procedure would be done. Okay, so you'll be withdrawn from the counseling process by one way, and the second way is you can prefer to withdraw from yourself through the counseling process, and for that 10,000 rupees would be deducted, and rest 40,000 rupees of the counseling fees will be credited to your bank account. So this is a total lock, shift and withdraw. If you didn't understand, kindly mention below in the comment box. We'll love to answer you. Now let's talk about the second publication of the second list. That is the opening date 23rd June and the closing date is 25th June, and the counseling fees are same 50,000, and last date of paying the counseling fees for the second list students are 25th June. So for this you need to understand there are some students who are going to shift in the first list, so they will be coming in the second list. For them you don't need to pay the counseling fees again. Those students name who are going to be appear in the second list for the first time, those names were not there in the first list, they are going to pay the 50,000 to continue the counseling process. That's how it should be done. The 50,000 rupees last date payment for the second list is 25th June. Now talking about the third list opening date is 28th June and closing date is 30th June. By 30th June everything is done, and counseling fees as usual 50,000 rupees that you need to pay, and last date of paying the counseling fees for third list is 30,000. Now let me tell you one thing. Third list, they are saying third list is the last list, but there are also many other lists that has been issued by the respective NLU or even the CLAT authority. Okay, so you don't need to get panicked that this is the last list. No, absolutely not. This is not the last list. If any NLU they have their seat vacant after the third list, they will issue the respective list, and that you need to search on their respective website. So after the third list, kindly go and follow the respective NLU website for list. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Now let's talk about some issues that we have got so far in 4 to 5 hours. Some of the students are complaining, sir, the objective marks that we have checked after the final answer key, that is same with the final result we have got. So it means that we haven't got any marks in the subjective. So this is really, I mean, this thing has happened for a lot of students, and also for some of the students the subjective marking are not great. They have got 5, 6, 7 or 8. They can mail them at the convener clatconsortium@gmail.com. kindly mail it to with your respective objections. And also preference list problem has been shared with us by some of the students, like some of the students their rank is 380, 70, 20, and for them the preference list has been shared with us, and they are saying, sir, we have given particular NLU at 11th preference list or 12th or 14th or like 13th. Okay, but they have been allotted to that particular NLU, so you don't need to worry for them. I can tell you, you can mail them also regarding this option, so that can be sorted out in the first list. If this thing it's not getting sorted out in the first list, then I can tell you the second list would be better for you, and so you will get better option in the second list. So you don't need to get panicked, because in the 10th or 10th 11th preferred NLU has been allotted to you. So for that you don't need to worry. Shift is the option for you. Okay, and also mail them regarding that convener clatconsortium@gmail.com, so that they will get this thing sorted out. So these are the issues that we have got to understand and has been shared with us. Now regarding the marks and everything, kindly share your marks and rank with us in the comment box, so that we can help you with the analysis what you are going to get in the next list, second list or third list, what you are going to get. So kindly comment below. I hope these are the things that will help you in your CLAT counseling process. If anything that you need to know more about the CLAT counseling, kindly comment below also. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay updated regarding CLAT, LLM, UGC, NET, SET and Judiciary. Until next time, thank you. See you soon.